By the end of 2026, millions of jobs will be replaced by AI. But here's the thing nobody is telling you. You can be the one using the AI, not the one being replaced by it. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 AI tools that can replace your entire 9-to-5 income. Some of these are making people $10,000 to $50,000 per month. And the best part? Most people have no idea they exist yet. Look, I'm not here to sugarcoat it. AI is disrupting everything. But disruption means opportunity. While everyone else is worried about losing their jobs, smart people are using these exact tools to build income streams that didn't exist 2 years ago. I've tested over 50 AI tools in the past 6 months. These 7 are the ones actually generating real revenue. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which tool to start with based on your skills and goals. Let's get into it. Number 1. ChatGPT Plus. Yes, I know you've heard of ChatGPT, but 95% of people are using it wrong. Let me show you how to turn it into a $5,000 per month content creation business. Here's the play. Businesses are desperate for content. Social media posts, blog articles, email campaigns, video scripts. They need all of it, but they don't have time to create it. This is where you come in. With ChatGPT Plus and the right prompts, you can create a month's worth of content for a client in about 3 hours. I'm talking 20 social media posts, 4 blog articles, 8 email sequences. You charge them $20,500 per month. Get 2 clients, that's $5,000. Get 4 clients, that's $10,000. The math is simple. But here's the key. You're not just selling AI-generated content. You're selling strategy, consistency, and peace of mind. You become their marketing department for a fraction of the cost of hiring someone full-time. Tool number 2, ElevenLabs. This is an AI voice generation tool, and it's absolutely insane. You can create professional voiceovers in any voice, any accent, any language. And here's why this is a money printer. Podcasters, YouTubers, course creators, audiobook producers, they all need voiceover work. Traditional voice actors charge $200 to $500 per project. You can do it in 10 minutes with ElevenLabs and charge $100 to $300. The profit margin is crazy, but it gets better. You can offer voiceover services in 10 different styles without ever recording your own voice. Want to offer a professional British narrator? Done. Energetic American female? Done. Calm meditation voice? Done. I know people doing $300 per day just doing voiceovers for YouTube creators. That's $9,000 per month. The demand is there. The tool does the work. You just need to find the clients. Number 3. Midjourney. If you haven't seen what Midjourney can do, prepare to have your mind blown. This AI creates images that look like they were made by professional designers and photographers. And I mean professional. Here's the business model. Small businesses need graphics, logos, social media images, website banners, product mock-ups, marketing materials. They used to pay designers $50 to $200 per image. You can create these in Midjourney in 5 minutes and charge $30 to $100 per image. Do 5 images per day. That's $150 to $500 per day. But here's where it gets really profitable. Offer package deals. Charge $500 for a complete brand kit. Logo, 20 social media templates, website graphics. Takes you 2 to 3 hours with Midjourney. Traditional designers would charge $2,000 to $5,000 for the same thing and take 2 to 3 weeks. You're 10x faster and way cheaper. Businesses love it. You make great money. Everyone wins. Tool number 4, Descript. This is for podcast editing, and it's a complete game changer. There are over 5 million podcasts right now. Most of them are run by people who hate editing. They record their episodes, then spend 3 to 4 hours cutting out mistakes, removing filler words, balancing audio levels, adding music. It's painful. Descript does all of this automatically. You can edit a 1-hour podcast in 30 minutes instead of 3 hours. Here's the business. Charge podcasters $200 to $400 per episode for editing. If you edit 10 episodes per week, that's $2,000 to $4,000 per week. That's $8,000 to $16,000 per month. And because you're using Descript, you're working maybe 15-20 hours per week total. The podcast industry is booming. Creators need editors. This is easy money if you learn the tool. Number 5, Jasper AI. This is a copywriting tool, and copywriters charge insane amounts of money. A sales page can cost $5,000 to $20,000. Email sequences cost $1,000 to $5,000. Product descriptions cost $50 to $200 each. Jasper can write all of this in minutes. Now, I'm not saying you just copy-paste Jasper's output and call it a day. You need to edit, refine, and add strategy. But Jasper does 80% of the heavy lifting. Here's a real example. A friend of mine uses Jasper to write sales pages for e-commerce businesses. He charges $2,000 per sales page. It takes him 2 to 3 hours with Jasper. He does 2 per week. That's $16,000 per month, working 6 hours per week. The skill isn't writing anymore. It's understanding persuasion, knowing what converts, and being able to refine AI output into something that actually sells. Learn that, and you can print money with Jasper. Tool number 6, Synthesia. This creates videos with AI avatars. You type a script, choose an avatar, and it creates a professional video with a person talking. No filming, no expensive equipment, no hiring actors. Businesses use these for training videos, product explainers, social media content, course lessons, internal communications, and they pay good money for it. A 2-minute explainer video from a traditional video production company costs $2,000 to $10,000. You can create it in Synthesia in 30 minutes and charge $500 to $2,000. I've seen people building entire video production agencies using only Synthesia. They have 0 employees, 0 equipment, just a Synthesia subscription. They're doing $20,000 to $50,000 per month in revenue. The corporate world is eating this up because it's fast, cheap, and professional looking. Number 7, Chatbase. This is my personal favorite right now because almost nobody is doing it yet. Chatbase lets you build custom AI chatbots for businesses without any coding. Every business is trying to figure out AI, but they don't know where to start. They're drowning in customer service inquiries, spending hours answering the same questions over and over. You can solve this problem and charge $3,000 to $10,000 per setup, plus $200 to $500 per month for maintenance. Here's the math. Just 2 new clients per month is $6,000 to $20,000 in setup fees. If you have 20 clients paying $300 per month for maintenance, that's another $6,000 in recurring revenue. This is real money. And the best part? These chatbots save businesses so much time and money that the ROI is obvious. They practically sell themselves. Restaurants, law firms, medical offices, real estate agents, they all need this. Go show them a demo and watch them pull out their credit cards. So there you have it. 7 AI tools that can replace your 9-to-5 income. ChatGPT Plus for content creation, ElevenLabs for voiceovers, Midjourney for design, Descript for podcast editing, Jasper for copywriting, Synthesia for video creation, and Chatbase for chatbots. Pick one. Master it. Start offering it as a service. You don't need all 7. You just need one to get to your first $5,000 per month. Then you can scale. The AI revolution is happening right now. You can either watch from the sidelines, or you can be the one profiting from it. The choice is yours. If this video helped you, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Drop a comment telling me which tool you're going to start with. I reply to everyone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.